Moving on, the next category of the evening is Outstanding Company of the Year, celebrating a remarkable legacy of resilience, vision and excellence. This year's winner, Bajaj Auto, has stood the test of time with over 75 years of visionary leadership. May I now invite Mr. Rajiv Bajaj, Managing Director, Bajaj Auto, to join us on stage and accept the award. And let's also unveil the inspiring journey of this year's winner.
Bajaj Group, founded by Jamna Lal Bajaj in 1926, is a symbol of India's resilience and reinvention. Its two- and three-wheelers are lifelines for millions, from bustling cities to rural India. Today, Bajaj exports to Latin America, Africa, Asia and the Middle East, generating $1.7 billion in financial year 2024, holding the #1 spot in 9 of 12 export markets, with over 2 million vehicles sold. A nostalgic brand that innovates. Bajaj introduced Freedom, the world's first CNG two-wheeler, is pioneering ethanol-powered vehicles and ranks third in India's electric scooter market. CNBC TV 18 India Business Leader Awards 2024 proudly presents the Outstanding Company of the Year award to Bajaj Auto.
Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for Mr. Rajiv Bajaj. Mr. Bajaj, we would love to hear your thoughts on the recognition and your incredible journey.
Good evening, everyone. You will hear my thoughts, but sir, मैं 2 मिनट में नहीं बोल सकता. मैं राहुल बजाज का लड़का हूँ. But thank you, everyone. Thank you first and foremost, all the winners for being such an inspiration. Thank you, the jury, and in particular the jury chairman, Dr. Kalyani, to all of you, but Baba Uncle to me, because he's known me since I was in school. Thank you to our honorable ministers. Thank you very much. And of course to CNBC. You gave me my first business interview over 20 years ago. You made me the same award, the CEO of the Year, 12 years ago. And today this, so you are very lucky for me. At some point, if I decide to run for Prime Minister, I'll let you know before I tell anyone else.
First to CNBC TV 18.
Always. But thank you. On behalf of my team of 10,000, I'd like to share with you very quickly what I believe are 3 milestones owing to which I am here today. First, we made the transition from being, if I may call it, a maker of value for money scooters to high-tech motorcycles. I believe that is what set us up to become, by market cap 3 years ago, by far the most valuable 2- and 3-wheeler company in the world, and that value has only appreciated in the last 3 years. Secondly, because we made the transition from being a local company that sold everything in the domestic market to becoming a global company that, as you saw, now exports to 100 countries across the world. It's why we call ourselves the world's favorite Indian, and we are proud to represent our country across the globe and at every level of society there. And finally, because we are now trying to make the transition from the era of fossil fuels to the future of green energy. What started with the CNG three-wheeler moved on to electric scooters and three-wheelers, and as you just saw, we introduced, in fact, Nitinji launched on 5th of July this year, the world's first ever CNG two-wheeler in the form of this motorcycle, the Bajaj Freedom. In fact, one correction, basis what you showed, my son Rishabh, who's here, who's been part of our electric Chetak team for the last 2.5 years, let me know this morning that based on December Vahan registration data, our electric scooter, the Chetak, is now the largest selling, not the third largest, the largest selling electric scooter in the country. So your award could not be better timed. And the message to me is, ओला तो ओला है लेकिन चेतक तो शोला है. So, you know, I just close by saying that it was Ralph Nader who said, I want the guys who love to win, and if I can't have them, I want the guys that hate to lose. I am so fortunate, I have 10,000 guys who either love to win or hate to lose. I thank God for them and thank you all for encouraging us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Rajiv Bajaj, and many congratulations again. We're privileged to have been a witness to your journey and to have played a small part in it. Thank you very, very much for being with us here today.